Hello friends, today we'll discuss top 5 mistakes in solar panel installation. Are you planning to install a solar power plant? Avoid these common mistakes to ensure maximum efficiency and safety. First one is ignoring roof condition. Always check the roof's durability before installation because weak roofs might collapse under the panel's weight. Second, improper panel angle. The right angle maximize the sun exposure. Don't miss out on free energy. Third, poor cable management. Messy wiring can lead to inefficiency or even fire hazard. Keep it neat and leveled. Fourth, skipping system monitoring. Install a monitoring system to track performance in real time and avoid losses. 5. Unprofessional installations. Always hire certified professionals to ensure safety and long-term performance. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more solar tips. Thank you.